Hello friends, this is Pankaj and you're watching AM and DevOps tutorial. In this video we will see how you can run the Jenkins job automatically and we will be using webhook for this. In my last video we had created a Jenkins job but we were running that Jenkins job manually, not automatically. So in this video we will see how you can do that automatically by using webhook. So let's get started. Let me go to the Jenkins. Here you can see we have a job, copy GitHub. What it was doing, it was copying a GitHub project from the GitHub to the slave Jenkins. So this way we were running this GitHub job manually. Now in this video we'll see how you can do it automatically whenever a code is pushed or committed to the GitHub. So there are two steps involved in this. The first step is go to the Jenkins and first go to the job. In this job go to the configure and in this configuration just scroll down and here you will find the build triggers and here you will see option of GitHub hook trigger for git SCM polling. Just check on this and click on save. So this way you can configure your Jenkins job. And now let's perform the second step. So for this, just go to the GitHub and we had this repository, Jenkins tutorial. And here in this repository, just go to the settings. And after this, here on the left side, you will find the webhooks option. Just click on it. Webhooks allows the services to be notified when certain events happen. So what it will do, whenever a code is committed or pushed to the GitHub, it will send a notification to the Jenkins and Jenkins will automatically run the job. So for this, let's add a webhook. Click on add webhook and here in the payload URL, just go to the Jenkins and copy this URL. Copy the URL of your Jenkins slash GitHub hyphen webhook and forward slash. After this, you need to just click on add webhook. So this will add our webhook in the GitHub within our repository. This is done now. Now let me go back to my repository and let me do a commit on this repository so that we will see that it is running successfully or not. So let me clone this repository in my local machine. Let me just copy it. Let me go to my drive. Here let me create a new folder. Let me name it project and let's open the command prompt here and just clone the project. So type git clone and type git clone and your URL. Click on enter. It will clone my project on my local machine. So this is done. Let's go to the local machine. Here you will see that we got the Jenkins tutorial folder and within it I have this index.html file. Okay. So let me just modify this file. Let me open it. Open with Notepad. Here's welcome to Jenkins tutorial. Let me rename it Jenkins to DevOps. Welcome to DevOps tutorial and click on save. Now just go back to the terminal and let me cd the project name and now just type git status. You can see the file has been modified index.html and let me commit this. So for this just click on git add dot enter. Now check the git status. Let's commit this file. So for that git commit -m and put the message index file modified and enter. The code has been committed. Now we need to push it. So for that git push origin master. Click on enter. It will ask me the GitHub username and password. Let me put my username. Now put the password. So this should push my code to the GitHub. Yes, it is done. Now let's go back to the GitHub and see if it is done successfully or not. Let me go back to my project, Jenkins tutorial. Now here you can see the index file has been modified 1 minute ago. That means the code has been pushed successfully. Now go back to the Jenkins and check if the job ran or not. So here we can see the hash 4. This is my new build which ran successfully. Let me go to the putty now and see that if the code has been successfully copied to the slave machine or not. So go to the putty. Here just go to the Jenkins. So cd Jenkins enter ls. Now you can see we have that workspace. Now just cd workspace Enter. Now do the ls. Now go to this copy GitHub, cd copy hyphen GitHub. Do the ls here. See, we have this index.html. Let me open this. So type nano index.html and press enter. Here you can see that we had changed the text welcome to DevOps tutorial. Earlier it was welcome to Jenkins tutorial. That means the project has been copied from the GitHub to the slave machine successfully using our job, which ran automatically using webhook. I hope you enjoyed this video. So do subscribe and don't forget to like and share. Thanks again for watching.